Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I got some friend mail. So I'm just seeing that down there. This box is from Jean Louise. Look how cute that is, y'all. Oh, I love that, Jean. Thank you. So cute. Our addresses are on top, so I'm not going to show you that. I did cut it open to get it started, and this box is heavy, y'all. Very, very heavy. So let's get looking in here. Oh, how cute. Let me give you a sneak peek. Look how cute that is, y'all. It's so festive. Thank you, Jean. This is so sweet. These are beautiful. Beautiful little petals. I was going to see if they smelled, because sometimes these things have scents, but I don't smell anything. How cute is that? Oh, Jean, that's so sweet. There is a card, and it says Mary, and look at that pretty ladybug on there. And look at this washi tape. Pumpkins. Can you see they're jack-o'-lanterns? It's sort of hard to see. Well, they're different things. They look sort of like jack-o'-lantern cats is what they look like. Cute, cute. Anyway, let me open this up. And this is so cute. Oh, there's leaves in here too. Oh, this is so sweet. Friend, warmest wishes to you. Beautiful card. And it says, Mary, it's always nice to wish a special friend like you a happy Halloween and happy autumn too. Love you, Mary. XO Jean. Mary, thanks so much for your friendship and support. I cherish our friendship. XO. Thank you so much, Jean. I do too. Jean is a dear, dear friend of mine. I talk to Jean pretty much every day. And Jean works a lot, and she finds time to talk to her friends, even though she works so hard and so many hours. And she's just a fantastic lady. If you don't know her, go see her. I'll put her description below, her link in the description below. She's been taking a little bit of a break, but you can still see some of her other videos. Here's some beautiful leaves, maple leaves, gorgeous. Thank you so much, Jean, for thinking of me. And all these super cute, everything in here is so cute. All these cute little squiggly things. All right, let me see. I found this right at the top. Look how cute that is, y'all. Isn't that precious? I love that, Jean. That's so pretty. Jean finds the best stuff. She's got great stores by her. She lives up north, up near New York. Ooh, look at these. A girl after my own heart. Some Peeps Ghosts. Yummy. I love Peeps. Ooh, how cute is that? She finds the best stuff. Wait till you see this, y'all. This is adorable. All right, it's heavy. It's heavy. Look at that, y'all. That is hand soap, and it has a sweater on, a pumpkin sweater on. Let's see what it says. It says, Happy Thanksgiving. Hand wash. Let's see. So I can't read that. It's ASQUITH. Something, oh, I don't know. Something Squith in Somerset? That's the brand. Pumpkin spice is the scent. And it's just so freaking adorable. Look at that, y'all. And then underneath that sweater, there's your pumpkin. How cute is that? I love that. I'm going to start using that right away. I bet it smells fantastic. It might be sealed up too much for me to smell, but it says that it's pumpkin spice. Oh, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. Thank you so much. Jean keeps me in my soaps, because last year she gave me something around this time also, and I used it for a long time. I used it until it was done because I loved it so much. This is so pretty. I love that sweater on there, Jean. Thank you. It's so festive. I didn't think about Halloween, Jean. Not at all. No, it's all packed so beautifully. So let's see what this is. Oh, this says, Autumn whisper to the wind, I fall, but always rise again. Angie Wheeland Crosby. Look how pretty that box is. Look at how beautiful this is. Smudge has come up. It says triple milled dye-free honey almond. Ooh, scented bar soap. This is a big giant soap in here. I love a good soap. All right, hang on. Let me see how to open it. Okay. It opens like this. Uh-oh, I'm tearing it. That's okay, because I'm going to use it. Look at how gorgeous. Oh, how did you know that honey almond is my favorite, Jean? Oh, that's wonderful. Look at that fabulous bar of soap. It's going right in my shower. It smells fantastic. Smudge, he's getting in the box, so I can't get the things out. Smudge. It says, soap is made in the USA. This lovely bar soap has the most delightful fragrance that will leave your skin delicately scented. Our unique formulation blends the finest ingredients to give you a rich and creamy moisturizing lather. Your skin will feel clean and silky smooth. I love that. I love a wonderful bar soap. Okay, Smudge, let me get in there. Now, I don't know with him in there if I'll be able to find anything. Oh, here's another cute little thing. Look at that. Hey, that looks like a real acorn. Look at that cute acorn, y'all. I love that. Smudge, you gotta let me in here, lovey. Let me in here. Oh, what's that? Look at, oh, look how cute that is. I love that. Oh, that is adorable, Jean. Okay, it doesn't say anything on it. It has a thing on it so you can't spill it, which is good. Oh, it smells good. I'm not sure what that smells like, but it's a little spicy. It smells good. Did y'all see that? The black cat with the pump with the jack-o'-lantern. Beautiful green eyes. That's so pretty. Thank you, Jean. Okay, Smudge. I may have to take a break and get things out. All right, let me see what I'm getting, Smudge. Oh, I'm dropping things now. Everywhere. Okay. There is oh, this is so cute. A kitchen towel. Look how cute that is, y'all. I love it, Jean. Two cats that are driving, and they've got their costumes on, getting ready. This one is, I think this one's Dracula. How cute is that? I love it. I love kitchen towels. I love textiles of any kind. Smudge, you gonna let me in there? He's not. Okay. Uh-oh. He's, oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Okay, Smudge. Uh-oh, you got stuff all over you, Smudge. Oh, I'm finding another one of these cute acorns. I wish y'all could have seen, I should have shown you that better. But now I can't show it to you. Oops, because, uh-oh. All right, Smudge, just get out for a second, love. You can come back. Oh, he's mad at me now. He gets mad at me so easily. He gets mad at me so easily. I'm sorry, Smudge. I'm sorry, Smudge. There's another little acorn. This was just all this cute stuff and then all those little things mixed in. Jean is so thoughtful and she makes things so beautiful. And this is just so, this is so cute. So cool, so cute. I'm trying to get everything out so that Smudge can go back in, but now he's mad at me and he left. There's some more little acorns. I love them. See, now I can put these things in a little bowl, but you think they'll stay there? I'll have to put them in my china cabinet. That's what I usually do with little things. I'll, put them in a bowl in there. But I just love these, and I just know if I put these in a bowl, like on my coffee table, they'll be gone. They'll be picked up. Blue will pick this right up and take it away. So, all right, I think that might be, there's another one of these cute things. I love them. And there's more little acorns in there. Okay, all right, I will get that all cleaned out. And then Jean sent me some things because I use this stuff and nobody seems to really like them. I'm not saying I love them, but the liquid IV, we get them a lot, like in Walmart and stuff. What I do, I get dehydrated, very easily, very easily. So I have to drink stuff like that. But when you mix this with a bottle of water, that's what they tell you to do. It's way too strong. So I mix it like in 2 bottles of water and a quart of water. And then I can tolerate it and drink it, and it helps me from dehydrating, because even in the wintertime, I think it's because of the medications that I'm on, I get dehydrated easily, and it's not good for you to be dehydrated. So now let me show you what else I got. These are so cute. Oh, these are little notebooks. How cute are those? These are little notebooks. Let's open those up. These are great. I have had these before, and they're wonderful to carry in the car because they fit like in your little, your little things, little spots that you have in the car. Let me see if I can get one out to show you. It's sort of stuck on the cardboard. Okay. They're super cute, and they're just great because you can, if you have to write yourself a little note, there it is. And these are great for trick-or-treaters too. Well, goodness sakes alive, there's a few, okay. See, they're like that, and then it's just a nice little book. a little blank book so you can put little notes, pull a sheet out if you need to. Super cute. Thank you, Jean. Those are adorable. And my very favorite thing, my very favorite candy for the fall is the Brock's Autumn Mix. Love it, love it, love it. You know, this is the one that has the candy corn, and then it has the pumpkins. And I've noticed, you know, all right, see, even the picture shows, they have the pumpkins and the candy corn. They used to have all kinds of shapes in there, but they don't make those shapes anymore. I don't know if people didn't like them or what. Here comes back Smudge. Okay, Smudge, get in there. And then this is something that Jean got in a Walmart box, and she didn't like it because it's rose. But I thought it's a great thing to carry in your purse. It's a hand wash. So when, you know, sometimes you're somewhere where there's no soap. So this is perfect for that. So she sent it to me because I told her that, oh, that's great. You should use that. She's like, I don't like those. So how cute. Okay, calm down. Settle down. He's settling down in the box. I'll get you a picture at the end. Look at how cute these are, y'all. These are all spooky stickers. It moved around in here because it does have a title at the top. But see, it should be down. Let me see if I can take them out and I can show you better, because that shiny isn't going to help. Oh, they're good spooky ones. It says Hocus Pocus on that one, that big one. And then look at the black cat. And I don't know if you can see them because it's so shiny, but there's some skulls. There's a bat. That bat is pretty cool too. And there's a leaf and, oh, like a raven or a crow. Those are so scary, Jean. Thank you. I love them. I love them. They're so cute. And then there are some masks. I love these masks, you know. You know, I'm a mask person, and these are some Facetory masks, and these I've used before, and I really like them. The Moon Velvet is one of my favorites. It's different than than most masks. It doesn't have like the drippy kind of serum. It actually has like moisturizer in there. It's creamy. I'll do that. I've done them before, but I'll do it again sometime soon. And then this other Facetory mask is Be Bright, Be You. This is a gold foil mask, and this is a really nice one too. And part of what they say about the foil masks is that it holds the heat in, so it helps your skin more. So that's really cool. So thank you, Jean. This is so sweet. I love everything. And Smudge, he's out of the box again, but he'll get back in again. Oh, I keep finding these cute little pumpkins, y'all. They're just so cute. Jean, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love everything. I'm going to put these right in use. Right in use they're going. Thank you so much, Jean. I love everything, and I am going to use absolutely everything. And I can't wait. My favorite kind of milled soap is almond. Honey almond. Oh, it smells fantastic. I wish we had smell-o-vision. And look at that. It's a nice big one. That'll last me a while. And it's nice and smooth. Thank you, Jean. I love everything. Thank you for thinking of me. And I love you so, so much, Jean. One of my dearest friends. I love you very much. And thank you. And y'all, thank you so much for stopping by. And count your blessings, everybody. Love you. Bye-bye. You in the box from Jean? Say thank you, Jean. We love you.